Hello, beautiful friends. I'm Bob, a vegan security officer from the Boxer Dog Kingdom. Staying safe is my passion, and keeping you safe is my job. That includes your pet companions too. I have a safety tip to prepare for storms or earthquakes if you have pets. Start by creating an emergency kit that consists of essential items like water, food, medications, veterinary records, a first aid kit, and comfort items such as blankets and toys. Store the kit in a waterproof container and keep it in an easily accessible location. Be sure to have a pet carrier on hand. Also make sure your pet has proper identification that includes a collar with text containing updated contact information and a microchip with current registration details. For all your family members, locate a safe and secure shelter inside or near your home where everyone can take refuge during a storm. This area should not be near any windows or doors, and preferably an interior room or basement. Please take these necessary precautions to be safe, friends. Thank you for tuning in, and love you for being veg and going green to save the planet for all humans and us all co-inhabitants alike.
Vegan, marching with confidence.